Hello friends, welcome to the Ultimate Advisor. My name is Ram Kumar and I am an insurance and investment advisor. In this video, I am going to talk about the importance of having sufficient amount of insurance, both the life and health, so that families do not face the financial hardship when something goes wrong. The moment we talk about insurance, most people think it is waste of money. When everything goes fine, you are not going to get anything out of it. And other times people compare insurance with investments, and then they say the return from this particular insurance is not that attractive. So let us be very clear about one thing: insurance is not an investment. It is a protection tool, and it offers financial protection when something goes wrong. So it is not an investment. The second thing is about having sufficient amount of insurance. People will always say I got 8 policies, 10 policies, or I pay so much of premium. But end of the day, these two doesn't matter. What matters is the sum assured. Okay, this is the money which is available to the family when something goes wrong. So because of not having sufficient insurance, so many families are suffering, particularly in our country. And the level of sufferings, the impact of not having insurance has been documented and shared in many articles. And before I proceed further on this particular topic, I feel it's worthwhile sharing those articles. If you look at these articles, they talk about how the families are suffering when it comes to health insurance. 90% of the time people liquidate their own savings and investments or borrow money from friends and relatives because they do not have sufficient amount of health insurance. Similarly, when it comes to the life insurance, first thing is not many working professionals are insured. Even those who are insured, they are insured for such a lesser amount, the family do not have sufficient amount to sustain the same standard of living when the breadwinner is not around. So the focus is again and again on having insurance and then having sufficient insurance. Okay, so you may be wondering as to what is sufficient insurance. If I say paying premium, a huge premium, or having number of policies is not adequate, so how do we arrive at the exact amount of insurance or the protection needed? While we have to do some amount of calculation as a thumb rule or as a simple calculation, I would say just to look at your family expenses, how much you have been spending. Okay, so your total spending or the money required each month for meeting out your regular expenses into 200 times should be the bare minimum protection we need. Okay, of course, in case if you have got a loan outstanding, then obviously the sum assured will be more. Similarly, we have to factor in or consider the decreasing rate of interest and the inflation, etc. But as a simple understanding, I would say, if your current monthly expenses are 50,000 rupees, then into 200 times it should be 1 crore. Okay, you may be asking why I need 1 crore if I got only 50,000 rupee expenses. Assume in case if something happens to the breadwinner, the income stops. So for you to sustain the same standard of living, per month 50,000 you need, and annually you need 6 lakh rupees. Assume the current interest rate is 6%. Of course, it is going down. So assume that the interest rate is 6%. For us to get a monthly 50,000 or annually 6 lakh, we need to invest at least 1 crore in a bank or something for us to get this 6 lakh rupee annual. So I have created a table which will show you how much of the insurance is needed depending upon your monthly expenses. Most cases you will find it translates into 200 times your monthly expenses. So that should be the amount of the protection or the sum assured is needed. Then you may be asking boss, if it is for 1 crore rupee of sum assured, the policy protection, I will have to shell out so much of money. That too waste of money. See, first thing, it's not a waste of money. It is an investment we are making to protect our loved ones. Maybe your parents, your children, your spouse. So many people are dependent on you. Let us not let them down because of our ignorance or negligence. Okay, and it is a money we are paying. It is a small investment we are making. So for 1 crore, assume a person who is in the range of 25 to 35 years, the daily premium, the insurance premium, the price we are paying for this peace of mind works out to 25 to 35 rupees, maximum 50 rupees. In today's situation, I think investing 25, 35 rupees to 60 rupees based depending upon the age, it's worth the investment for the protection of our loved ones. So the premium should not be a constraint, a reason for not taking insurance and not protecting our loved ones. So my humble request before I conclude this video is to just look at your existing insurance policies, whether you have sufficient amount of protection based on the calculation that I suggested. If you don't have enough amount of protection, please contact your insurance advisor who may be already servicing, or if you have any friends or relatives who may be an agent, approach them, or specifically for term insurance, and get this taken care of. In case if you do not have anybody known people who are already servicing, you can approach me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. In fact, in addition to spreading awareness, I do provide service relating to life insurance, health insurance, mutual fund, and even equity investment. I just help my friends and relatives. So if you need any help in terms of calculating the amount or taking the right insurance, I'll be more than happy to help you out. My contact details are given at the end of this particular video. So don't wait any further, take action, and because tomorrow may be too late. Okay, so before that, let us take all the precaution needed to protect our families. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you found this beneficial, press the like button, and do share with your friends and relatives, and to get further videos, press the subscribe button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.